Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what many climbers consider the best climbing harness Belay Carabiner rope system on the market, the PETZL GRIGRI Belay device. Whether you're sport climbing at your local crag, working a project in the gym, or just starting out top roping, this device continues to set the gold standard in belay technology. Let's dive right in. The PETZL GRIGRI is a compact, cam-assisted belay device designed for single ropes ranging from 8.5 to 11 mm. What makes it truly shine is its progressive descent control, thanks to the 3-to-1 mechanical advantage built into the camming mechanism. It allows you to lower your climbing partner with buttery smooth control, no jerks, no sudden drops, just consistent, confident lowering. That mechanical advantage also reduces your effort when controlling the rope, making long belay sessions less tiring on your hands. At the heart of the GRIGRI is PETZL's reliable cam-assisted blocking system. The moment your climber falls or weights the rope, the cam automatically engages and cinches the rope, arresting the fall instantly. That added layer of safety gives peace of mind not just to the belayer, but also to the climber pushing their limits on the wall. Ease of use is clearly a big part of this device's design philosophy. Whether you're belaying a lead climber or someone top roping, the GRIGRI is intuitive. PETZL includes rope installation diagrams on both the inside and outside of the device, an often overlooked feature that proves incredibly helpful, especially for beginners or anyone borrowing gear. This version also comes paired with the SM Twist Lock Carabiner. It's a lightweight, compact D-shaped locking carabiner that's super easy to handle, even when you're wearing gloves. The twist lock mechanism automatically locks and is optimized for quickly connecting your GRIGRI to your harness or lanyard. It's a great choice for climbers who want both convenience and security without fiddling with screw locks. And for those wondering about versatility, the D-shaped design of the carabiner means it remains functional no matter how it rotates during use. Whether you're attaching it to a pulley, a lanyard, or using it in your belay system, it's built to handle the load without compromise. That means rock-solid construction in a compact and lightweight form factor that's just as reliable on high alpine routes as it is in your local gym. This isn't just a belay device, it's a long-term investment in your safety and climbing performance. As for dimensions, the GRIGRI comes in at about 10.5 inches long, 6.5 inches wide, and 3.3 inches high for the full package including the carabiner, weighing just 0.32 kg. Small enough to pack, strong enough to trust. So whether you're an experienced climber or just starting out, the PETZL GRIGRI offers dependable performance, smart safety features, and a user-friendly design that works as hard as you do. For those who climb often and push limits, this is one piece of gear that you'll find yourself reaching for again and again. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next gear review. Climb safe and see you next time.